I have a cold. I've had this cold for about 3 weeks. Annoying. Anyway, got a package from P.Louise. It's not an ad. I actually paid for it. It's a good box. I could put stuff in it. Always look for a good box and bags. Look at this. Oh, so soft. Anyway, I've had my makeup brushes for like 10 years. And I wash them obviously and clean them and stuff. But I feel like I should invest in myself. My 2014 motto is invest in myself. Put myself first. Winning. Anyway. Whoa, this is a fluffy fluff. Brushes is like a bunch. Ooh. Looks like right up my street though.